past the toilets and got to the laundry kitchen area and just couldn't get past that fitting, but it looks like the problem may be on the outside because we didn't see anything backed up. There was no bellies that we could see visible where there's sitting water. So we're gonna now access the outgoing line going away from the home. Okay, I'm backing up. I hit a fitting and I'm on a downward fall. So I think this is maybe our problem right here. So we have a bend and then it's a 3-foot drop. And as it hits that bottom 3-foot drop, all the debris hits the bottom. And then the liquids continue moving fast and all the debris clumps right on that bottom 90 because the fall is too quick.
After video inspection, what we found was the tie-in was actually incorrect. They came out and they 90 directly into the cleanouts, and then there's a short fall and then 90 back down into the city sewer. So those two 90s are stopping the flow of the water and it's causing the backup. So it's a very quick and simple fix for us. We just have to dig up about 6 feet worth of dirt and do the tie-in properly. That should have been done right the first time.